Hello everyone, welcome for today's video. In today's video we're gonna discuss about an inspirational talk with ourselves that how to be improve our goals and improve our strategies to becoming to be the fluent in English communication. Let's suppose for an example that why you are not supposing to be the fluent in English communication and becoming to be the less confidence toward yourself, so that we can discuss about in topics. And after the completing the topic, I will suggest you the 5 points that you can continue toward your life and doing in your life, performing in your life, you can better in your English communication skills and improving your confidence level. The first of all reason is that why your focus level was get decreases for the communication time. First of all reason is that if you are weaker in the communication section, you have to do focus upon your communication skills. First of all, do the communication with yourself in front of camera, in front of the mirror, so that your confidence level would gets improved or get high up and day by day, because I will give an example that if I record or if we will record our communications or our discussions in front of the camera, recorded it, we can find about our mistakes and the we can find the mistakes that we can made it, and that was not to be considered to be very much needful. So that this was very much important in this point. And if you have not faced the recording, so that you can cover up your communication into the mirror, so that there was having something, so say that difficulty that there was having no recording, but your confidence level also to be get increased, because you can see your virtual image in front of the camera. So that you first of all you have to be becoming to be so much less confidence toward it, but after some time you will getting so much motivated toward it and getting lots of time conversation you get improved day by day. So that how I can make a goggles to communicate with the people for the English communication and inspiring people with the fluentness into the conversation. And coming to another point that first of all reason that find the time that you can make the conversation. So that in the last few days or the videos that coming to be the regular in my YouTube channel, I will take a decision that I will find my time for my habit, that I will make the video only into the evening whenever I will get the time from 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. So that after any of the time I will make the videos or make the English conversation from myself. Because if you are giving the time toward yourself, then you have a mental strike toward yourself that you have a lesser minimum time, so that you have to record as much as quicker and as much as wealthier wealthier communication. So that how it can helping me to becoming to be the discussing becoming to be the very much growth for myself. And another point they discusses about that the confidence, because confidence matters very much for coming to myself, that from previous video to now to tomorrow's video and today's video, I was very much confident toward myself. Because the confidence reason was only the reason that by to focusing upon myself. First of all reason that I was not recording my videos, I face myself as a demotivative person and not doing anything person, or person having less confidence and less everything. So that how I can make the confidence level so much high. Because a single reason is that by facing myself again and again in front of the camera and doing the mistakes and doing the criteria that and doing the every mistakes in myself, so that after getting it again and again, it will get decreases for myself, or the communication skills also get to be improved day by day. And this was the how this matter for myself and in English communication. And another point is that what for that who we for that our surrounding was not as a type of English communication people. Because for example that our language was Hindi, that we can speak in our native language. For that our parents can be, or our parents, our society can talk in this language, so that we are just involved into this language. But coming to the point of the English communication, we cannot able, or we are not try to learn this language, because our surrounding was not adapted and not to be accepted, because the language was very much something new to them people, and they will not try to say this type of language, this English communication. So that you have to find your friend as a as a non-living thing, that who can speak English in front of them. For example, you can see the trees, you can see the leaves of the banana, sorry, leaves of the bangan, brinjal. I will talk with them, or I will talk with them trees who are still at there, and I will talk with him there about myself, about any of the career guidance. So that in English communication, so that you will get a friend and you can talk with them. Even if that, if you try to speak in English, you need a friend, or try to speak about yourself in front of anyone, because if you have no one in front of you, then how will you talk with yourself or with any one of them? So that the reason is that you have to talk with ourselves, or your any of the self, just to take a friend for yourself into around yourself. That could be any of the wall for yourself, that could be any of the toy, that could be any of the say any of the tree, any of the house, any of the people. If you have a family member who can try to speak English, like your mother, like your brother, sister, then take a place of in front of you, and just to say something that you have no, and make and create the mistakes. Don't be aware from the mistake, that if first of all reason that if you are born to be a human being, you can do the mistakes very well again and again. So that for continuing the mistakes, you will a time will be coming toward yourself, that you can improve your communication skills, or improve your skills by doing the, or continuing the same mistake. So because if you have find about your mistake and improving daily, regularly in your daily life, so that you can one day come that time you can recover your mistakes, and people wanted to listen about yourself. And coming to the point that how our brain say that if you are trying to just to say the English communication and doing anything, but we always fear about, or hesitate about ourselves, that we are just to saying the hesitation about ourselves, and we get very much hesitate, that we can mistaken ourselves, that we can not doing anything, and we have doing lots of mistakes. First of all, I will say that if any of the YouTuber who can whose video you can go for and watch, that you can see that they have doing the lots of mistakes and lots of silly mistakes, that they can do, that they will not saying anything single toward any self, and single line to be very single line to doing, or to speaking, and facing very much hesitated toward yes himself. So that how it could be very much important, or very much informative toward ourselves. So that always into the starting you have the lots of communication, lots of hesitation toward yourself. So that how you can manage how to manage, or how to overcome your mistakes. So the single reason that by doing practicing. And also I will say you that you have to just to uh, fall down into front of the people, and just to say something, and taking insulting upon yourself, because if you feel the insult for yourself that you cannot speak, then you will definitely have a motive to becoming to be the fluent in English, or becoming to be the motive, that the goal that you have wanted to do it. For example, if you get insulted into the examination, or into the school, that the student was not performing the good, not performing in the academics, not doing the homework, not doing the these things, but he will take it into his heart, and saying that I was not good. Then another day he was insulted, he kept in his heart, and after that he will trying to achieve it after then. And recover it into the basis of the English communication, so that how it could be sorry, English conversation, and after that he can recover it by the doing the homework, completing the sessions, and answering the questions of that the teacher was asking. So that how it could be very much important to ourselves, that for becoming to be fluent, for becoming to be the achieving any of the goal, do the mistakes and make an insult of yourself. Because if you can insult yourself in front of any people, then you have a reason that you have to show yourself in front of them, so that you can becoming to the type of people. And also today's video, I wanted to show that I wanted to showcase myself, and telling about myself, and and to say that record myself or publish myself as a vlog. Because even I look like this type of person, and after 1 year how I can look like that, and what type of my personality, what I can achieve, what I can lose, that can be shared in front of the camera and in front of the public, that how it can helping me, or how it can helping the public. Because if what can having, or what can be completing in your life, you can know, but for today's tomorrow and after 3 to 4 days you can remember, but after the losing coming back toward your days, you was not listening, or you was not learning toward yourself, that I cannot find about that what type of work that I have pursued in my previous days, and what I can say in these days, what can I achieve, what can I lose into my days. So that how it could be very much important for ourselves. And another point is that the last point that we have to talk about, that of the 5 ways that we can improve our communication skills. That was, first of all, reason is that always take a try to make a friend for yourself, so that you can speak in English or speak anything about yourself in front of him. Because let's suppose an example, that you have any person who have any friend, you can talk with him a lots of conversation of more than 1 year, 1 hour, 2 hour, and lots of time, and spending it, and the time was gone, you cannot remember for yourself. So that if you also wanted to make a friend, if you can make a friend for yourself, you can never find out the time for the English conversation, for the doing or achieving the goals for your life. So that I make a friend for my camera, for my phone, so that I can never so that the video was coming longer, not longer, I cannot remember, I cannot get so much lesser time. Because I get a friend for myself, that I never wanted any friend, because I was having a friend for myself, that I can talk with him and again. So that how the time was continue, and stopping, this was not to be recognized. And another thing is that I was not making any of the script, because I was just coming in front of the camera and speaking anything that I have known. And as I can speak only, or as a just as a friend, or as a just a friend who was in front of me, that that my presence of mind, and that I have in my mind, that can be expressed in front of me. So that, and the second thing is that is very much important, is that becoming to be always motivated. Because in every of the days, let's suppose in a month we have 30 days, in every 30 days we are not supposed to be very much motivated or self estimated days. Because not in every day, but 1 to 2 days you have a feeling yourself to be very much down toward yourself. In this period of time you will face about yourself that you cannot continue toward your job, and you will say that I can skip the making the videos, or skip to talk in English, or skip any of the work that you have wanted, you can skip it. But the reason is that if you have skipped it, then another day you have also wanted to skip it and skip it and skip it. So that this making your habit to be very much in improving. So that how it's matter a lot. So that make always consistency. So how you can make a consistency, make a friend, or always try to say something in front of them, just pushing yourself to be not to be get demotivated. But every time you get demotivated, because what can I will tell, what can I will say. Because but if you can say something, and if you can know about yourself, after some time, after a few days, you find that about your section, that about your society, you doing the such a thing that no people or nothing people can do. Because you are just to the something unique in front of yourself. So that how it could be. And Third thing is that so much important for about yourself. Don't becoming to be fear about yourself to doing the mistakes, because every person make a mistakes who was doing to the at the top of the ladder, or at the top of the ladder always make a mistakes, because if we can mistake, then we can try to improve ourselves. If a person who will not make a mistakes, then how he can take a decision to take improve about himself. So that don't fear, or don't try to learn about yourself, don't try to overcome, don't come to overcome about yourself that I was not doing anything, I was just doing the mistakes again and again. The reason is that you can watch my previous video that I was making lots of mistake by communicating. I was facing less confidence about myself. I was very much inconsistent toward my videos. I was publishing the videos sometime evening, sometime morning, but after the time I will get about myself that doing the communication skills as a like a friend, and enjoying my videos, enjoying my communication, so that it will be very much important to that how to overcome the mistakes. And the fourth thing is very much important about yourself, that finding about the niche that you have to be talk it about yourself, or not niche, but always say that. Another point is that you have to just focusing upon your the self help or the self growth, because any of the person that was in front of you, or any of the after living from your family members, no one wants wanted to becoming to be the growth related person or healthy mindset people. So that you have to love yourself and finding yourself to be you are very much good person, and very likely to be very much fluent in English. And I was like myself, and I was confidencing myself. So that love yourself, so that you can finding your about yourself that you are the type of person and type of people who can create something, or who can know something to speak in English or speaking doing anything. So that if you can love yourself, then you can do the anything that you had wanted. So that the first of all reason, and the fourth very much important reason is that for loving yourself, because if you can't love you, then the anyone who can in front of you who would never like you, never wanted you to becoming to be the better person, a better healthy people, a better mindset people, for that reason. So always love yourself, because if you not like it to becoming to be the healthy dresses, healthy food items, healthy healthy diet, healthy any of the thing you will just doing. So that after you get sick, no one wanted to take a care for yourself, and no one wanted to talk with yourself. So that how this matters, that you have to just to focusing upon yourself, that how you can make a better approach yourself to how to love yourself. Because if you find about yourself that if I achieve a physical health approach, if, good taking a good diet, I was not to be sick in front of myself, and after doing that I was becoming to be the very much confidence and very much strongest toward ourselves. And the fifth and last but not the least, the important thing is that first of all, speaking any of the topic, or mm, any of the discussions, you have to must to improve yourself daily by watching the videos, by reading the books, by any of the thing, by observing. First of all, the thing is that you have to need to observe the particles, observe the nature, observe the people, that what they can say something, that how they can speak, what type of learning that we can get it from themselves. So that always try to get learn something, because this type, because in coming from the Hindi language, as we can speak in Hindi, that most of the communication, most of the language, that most of the point, most of the word that we can remember in our brain, and we can remember that after saying something we got the answer about ourselves, that what the person can say, and what to try to say about the topic. So that how it is important to ourselves, that to in every aspect, that to getting every time better in your work, to every get a inspiration for your work, and getting every time to be very much learning toward yourself. So that how it could be very much important to be learning. And coming to the English language also, there was having also very much important learning, because if you can't learn yourself as the English communication, you have to learn the many more. And how it can be improving yourself for bettering yourself to every day and every niches, that every time you find your friend, and let's recalling the top point that we have discussed about yourself, that first of all reason is saying that make a friend for yourself, that to know about and about the topic that you can discuss about that. For that, if any of the conversation we need a friend for the communication, so that we can got a timetable for get a conversation with them. Another thing is that never to get demotivated in the 30 days. We all time we never try to say about get motivated toward ourselves, so sometime we get demotivated. So that time also to becoming to be the consistent toward yourself. Third thing is that make a habit toward yourself, that so that you can continue toward your job, continue toward your work, and improving the focusing for that. Because if I'm making the videos into the evening, I was get addicted toward is that I will make the videos, I will consistent toward my job and doing the regular in my work for getting the more good habits for myself. And the fourth thing is that make it present, make it visible, make it doing the thing that you want, that you can love it and love yourself. Because if you cannot love yourself, then the public that who will always criticize you to becoming to be the people who are just a waste of yourself and doing the nothing for yourself, how it could be very much difficult for yourself to be survive. So that love yourself, the fourth important point. And the fifth is that you have to be improve yourself every day by doing the small learnings. Because if you learn as a small activity, learning small communications, learning every of the small days, you can get the basic confirmation that you can speak English communication by small achieving into the conversation. And after completing the sessions, you can achieve the lots of communication skills and lots of knowledge about yourself. So that how it can helping about the conversational videos and the lots of communication to becoming to be the fluent in communication, just to say something and taking insult of yourself, and doing the best version of your life and record the videos and record publish. I will always suggested you that record the video and publish video, not to showcase your the video as a publicly, but to say as a record it and save it as a private. Because if you can just to get to started about yourself, then you find it about that you have something creative and you have something know about yourself. So that if any of the person in around your society, you can, if you have asked them that do you know about yourself in any of the type, and that the skills that you have, you can know, then there will be say that they cannot know about themselves, and the skills they have equals to zero. So that you always find out about yourself, that just to focusing upon yourself and doing the regular activity as that you can pursue. And the focusing upon the accent, first of all, many people have said that your accent was not to be very much good as a English British accent, but I can say that my accent was an Indian. I was an Indian from a Jharkhandi. So that I never wanted to becoming to be the American and US people. So that I always try to speak in my Indian accent, and how it could be very much improving and inspiring for yourself. So that this was the 5 monk mode conversational important line for your video, this video. And this is for today's video. Hope this video will helping you to becoming to be the fluent in English communication. So that after leaving this video, तब तक के लिए जय हिंद, जय भारत।